The Su-57 is Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter and is equipped with advanced avionics and systems designed for air superiority, precision strikes, and multi-role capabilities. One of the key features of Su-57 is its integrated avionics suite, which combines advanced radar, infrared sensors, and electronic warfare equipment. The radar system, known as the N035 Irbis, is capable of detecting and tracking targets at long ranges, even in challenging environments. Additionally, the aircraft includes a wide range of optical and infrared sensors, providing enhanced situational awareness and targeting precision. The Su-57 is designed to carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, offering flexibility in combat scenarios. Its weapon systems include guided missiles such as the R-77 and R-74 for air combat, as well as precision-guided bombs and rockets for ground strikes. The aircraft also features internal weapons bay to maintain its stealth profile, allowing it to carry out missions without compromising its radar cross-section. The Su-57's weaponry can be controlled through an advanced fire control system that integrates aircraft sensors, ensuring precise targeting even in complex operational conditions. In terms of its propulsion, the maneuverability of Su-57 is powered by two Saturn AL41F1 engines, providing thrust vectoring capabilities for superior agility and speed. The aircraft's design includes composite materials to reduce weight and increase durability, contributing to its overall stealth features. The aerodynamics and engines enable it to achieve speeds of Mach 2 and fly supersonic without afterburners or supercruise at Mach 1.3, thus giving it a significant kinetic advantage and extend the range of missiles and bombs over previous generation of aircraft. Combined with high fuel load, the fighter has supersonic range of 1,500 km, more than twice that of Su-27. An extendable refueling probe is available to further increase its range. Su-57, which already boasts stealth feature, super maneuverability, and array of modern weapons, appears set to become even deadlier. This move could signal Moscow's determination to stay ahead in the race of air domination, positioning Su-57 as a cornerstone of its air force in the foreseeable future. Russia has recently released a video showcasing their Su-57 thrust vector control. So this thrust vector control is there on the video wall. In this video you can see that the thrust vector controls are being shown. Now it not only enhances maneuverability, but what it does is it reduces the IR signature. Now these are the thrust vectors in the exhaust. So they have a peculiar shape and a feature because of which it can swell up, down, left and right as shown on the video, that it can control the aircraft's roll, yaw and pitch. Not only they increase the aircraft's maneuverability, but also negate the IR signatures, making it truly a sixth generation fighter aircraft.